back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Ten laps could be the distance here for the B main. A lot of guys are single file in the back of the field. As we are going to try to get things fired off as a 3D, we're going to line them up double file into turn 3 and 4. Last chance of qualifying into tonight's show. As we are ready to go, we're underway. As they race their way into turns 1 and 2, you'll have the number 47 machine as Luke Chowning going to be on the bottom side. Meanwhile, here comes Hall battling back to the outside. It's a good run, and he will blow the doors off of Luke Chowning, and he'll take the lead. Hall down in front, down to the back stretch. Steve Stallings in that third spot. Remember, top two are guaranteed to the show tonight, and they're getting a little racy there as Chowning's going to make a little bit of difficulty, and here comes the number 17 of Steve Stallings. Stallings going to be able to work to the outside of the speedway. Remember, top two are going to go to the show here tonight as the number 38 of Mr. Kenny Hall is your current leader. The 47 of Luke Chenning going to be right there behind him. Single file nose to tail to the bottom side of the speedway in turns 1 and 2 as the number 38 of Kenny Hall is still going to be a race leader, with the 47 of Luke Chenning right there behind him. As Chowning's right there, you'll have Steve Stallings in there behind him at number 17 as we are down just 2 into this one so far. Single file, nose to tail, a great three-car battle for the race lead. Kenny Hall right there back on the outside. You'll have the number 47 of Luke Chenning, as Chenning's going to be able to work the way through the middle of turns 1 and 2. Big mess up as we are back under yellow flag. As it's going to be all Kenny Hall still out in front. You'll have Luke Chowning right there on the inside. We'll line them up Delaware double file off of 3 and 4. As we are green flag, and Hall's going to get a good start as Steve Stallings up to the outside. Stallings and Chowning battle their way down on the bottom of turn 1 and 2. Stallings got a good run into turn 3 and 4, but Chowning going to battle back to the inside, but get the second spot away to Mr. Steve Stallings. 6 out of 10 in this one here for the DirtRichTV B feature number 1. As it's all Kenny Hall and the number 38 machine. Stallings up on the outside. It's a 47 of Luke Chowning as he's going to battle back to the inside for that final transfer spot. As Kenny Hall's to the inside in turn 3 and 4. Stallings got a good run. He's going to look for the race lead as he's going to lift there a little bit off of turns 1 and 2. Look at Steve Stallings put on a show for the fans. He looks to the outside. Kenny Hall still holds on to this, but Stallings went on the outside. They call him a throttle stopper for the reason. He will work his way around the outside and take the lead in 3 and 4. White flag in the air. Steve Stallings, your new race leader. Kenny Hall to 38, the battle for the final trainer spot. As the 47 of Luke Chowning going to be up on the backstretch. He had to lift more momentum down the backstretch. Final time, final corner. Steve Stallings will win it. Second will go to Chowning in the wall. Chowning gets it at the line, and he's in the wall. Oh my goodness, racing it out for that final transfer spot as Luke Chowning went head first into the turn 1 wall. Driver is okay. He is climbing out of the race car, and he is definitely in the show. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Luke Chowning did make the show after a last chance effort We'll see if the crew can get that car back together and operational in 10 minutes or less, or your money back. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.